Good morning everyone, my name is Damon. Currently I'm taking charge of Middle East region, and due to my territory's condition, my hard disk drive sales has reached almost 20% in our whole company. So this is just my pleasure to give you this hard disk sales kit, and I hope you guys don't have to regard it as a training. It's just a sharing to you guys, to share my experience. Okay, so here we go. First of all, we are not just a sale. Being a salesman, we need to know how to drive the awareness and how to create the domain knowledge. At last, we have to get the purchase intention. So how should we do it? Let's check it out. First of all, who is StoreJet? Founded in 1988, also headquartered in Taipei with 14 offices among 8 countries. And we are proud to say that we've shown a really stable and outstanding enterprise performance ever since. Also, we've ranked in the Interbrand's best Taiwan global brand with a brand value of 138 million US dollars. So, what can we do for you? What can our products solve your daily life problem? Nowadays, IT storage devices, IT products, 3C products, tend to be built thinner and lighter. And you know what? Now the shipment of Ultrabook has reached almost 178 million sets in 2016. Isn't it a really considerable amount? To me, yes. So the point is, the internal storage devices in the Ultrabook is SSD. And normally the average capacity of this SSD is 128 GB. Although SSD, the performance is really fast, but it is just not enough. Not enough for what? For its capacity. But why? Why is that? Due to the fact that the IT ecosystem is evolving every single day. And previously we will find lots of people are using blog and also the traditional cameras to record their daily lives. But nowadays, you can find lots of YouTubers. They are taking the vlog videos, and you can find lots of professional photographers. They tend to take high pixel pictures. So what's the matter? The matter is a 1 hour video in 4K XAVC format will take you 64 GB. So which means if you take a 2-hour video and you back up into your Ultrabook, then the capacity will be fully booked, will be fully filled up. So how should we do with that? People tend to find the most cost-effective way, the most economical way to solve it. So let me tell you something. Hard disk drive will be the best solution for you. And later on, I will introduce our features and functions and let you know the reason. Coming to a feature here. Of course, our product is really famous for its shock-proof design. And you know what? All our rock design products are passing through all those tests, from the job test, temperature test, and also the vibration test. And let's have a quick look here. Inside a hard disk, you will find from the first layer, we got 3 layers actually. The first layer, rubber case. Second layer, the suspension damper. And the inside one, reinforced hard disk. And even we got our hard disk drive tested by a third-party organization called Intertech, and we are proud to say that our product, our hard disk drive here, we passed the US military job test. So feel free to drop it 26 times, but that's the most, and you let me know the result if you drop it 27 times. And now I want to share some idea about how we perform our speed. Our read and write speed, because we are using the USP mode, so we can boost it up to 70%. But how should we do that? Actually, we are using the AS Media chipset at the port side. And also, the AMD CPU, they are all using the same brand from AS Media, they are using the same chipset. So, what's the problem? What's the issue? What's the link between two of them? We are able to create an even better compatibility, so the performance will be really stable and continuously transfer your data to your destination file really successfully without any hesitation. Let me give you another example. Like a video I just told you, right? If you back up a 2-hour video into your hard disk drive, it will take you around 10 minutes. Isn't that fabulous? And from this page, we can see that we have lots of capacity for your reference, from 500 GB to 4 terabytes. I'm saying is, we do our best to cater to our end users, and we do our best to fulfill all the demands. This is what we are doing. This is what Transcend is doing. Where there's a demand, there is Transcend. And for now, I want to share a few practical functions for you guys. From the one-touch auto backup here, you can fully lessen your backup time. And the quick reconnect function here is able to provide you with a really smart power-saving technique. You can just save your power in your laptop or PC for other applications like charge your phones. And I think I'm not only one who feels that the design I just mentioned is just a bit masculine. And some people, we are just trying to find something more professional, more delicate. So we give you another model. We call it the C3N here. So if you have a quick look here, the size is like 30% lighter than the iPhone XS, and it's also much thinner. Check it out, guys, check it out. The R angle here, the shiny R angle, is polished by the CNC technique. So I can say that this is built up for a really professional businessman, a really professional users to hold it. And even me, I hold one for myself. Coming to this area for the data security stuff, I believe people are feeling a bit uncomfortable about this area. And to solve the problem, we come up with the ACE encryption for your reference. So how are we supposed to implement all those brilliant ideas and designs in our hard disk drive? We provide you with a Transcend AD software with a really user-friendly interface. So you just download it and to discover more by yourself. All our product, we are trying to give you those advantages, from job test to even exclusive software. And we are keen to give you 3 core values. 1, the data security. 2, data protection. And 3rd, at last, the widely compatible I/O port. Perhaps you guys might feel all those statements, all those descriptions a little bit intangible and a bit abstract. Let me give you some really practical examples. So from time to time, oops, and run port. Also, I think I'm not the only person here who feel that the backing up files is too troublesome and a little bit time consuming. Hackers are everywhere, to be honest. So we need to be really careful about data leakage. How should we help you? How should we solve those kind of concerns? First of all, we give you the 3-stage shock protection, and it is able to keep your data and your memories in a really safe situation. And the second thing is, we offer you the Type-C cable, so you don't have to worry about round port. Third, we have the one-touch auto backup function. It is able to lessen your backup time, down to a really low level. And the fourth is that we have the AES encryption function, and it is that it will take you more than 1 million years to break the files. So you can feel really safe and comfortable while you're using a hard disk drive. And now I give you the whole column, a whole lineup of our product line, our hard disk product line. Actually, they are just different from the appearance, also colors, And most of them, they hold the same features I just mentioned. So if you have some interest, just discover more in the appendix I'll give you later. Now I want to share some opinion about the competing products. Normally when people are talking about the rugged design hard disk, we are easy to come up with a brand called C. It's currently merged by Seagate. And our product here is like 80% lighter, 50% thinner, and 20% much more cheaper. So I'm saying is, in the premium stage of the rugged design products, Transcend could be a really remarkable choice for you guys. So why do you need this? After all those sayings, those are the speech from the vendor, then let's check what other think about us, what other end users, customers think about us. Check out, look it up. Look at all those 5-star comments, like this guy here. This is, I believe he's truly a crazy Transcend fan. He got 3 of them. And here, never had a problem. Actually, this is gonna be a problem for me because it's gonna lower my turnover rate. Also, we have lots of rewards from worldwide organizations, which means that we got the worldwide recognition from end users and also from official institutions. At last, I made a really complete column for you guys to get more understandings about the difference among all those devices, from SSD to cloud. And if you pay attention to this column here, cost, and you will find out that perhaps external hard disk drive is not the cheapest one. But if you get a chance to check the NSRP on EC channel, then you will find out that 1 TB entry-level external hard disk drive holds the same price as a 120 GB external SSD. But 1 TB is like 8 times more in capacity than 120 GB SSD. So, coming to this point, I believe you have an answer in your heart. What kind of solution, which way is the best function, is the best solution for you to update, to back up your daily lives? So, this is my presentation about the sales kit of hard disk drive. I hope you guys can get a more profound idea about how we deal with our customer and also our dealers.